All right, so this one, I just have these, really rough marks that I made before, and this will just illustrate the eraser tool. So eraser tool is run by the idea of a brush again. So you'll have to choose the size, and you also choose the hardness. The harder it is, the more, plain. Make sure you're on a layer for this. Kind of cuts right through it. Right now I'm on pencil. I honestly never use either of these. I'm always on brush. It's just a little, the pencil and the block are really jagged. So that's with the hardness on. If you want more of a soft look, you can a little bit more of an airbrushed feel, then you use the hardness a lot less. You can also change the opacity and the flow. So if you don't want to erase something fully, you can change that. So these work almost the same. It kind of depends on your brush and your brush settings, your brush types. And then the other part for the magic eraser tool is that rather than you coming through and erasing, little bits of it, if you click on it, it'll actually erase anything that's connected. So these ones, one at a time, will go away. You get the idea. So that actually is super helpful. I'd say the eraser tool is more for little tiny pieces, and the magic eraser is for just getting rid of big chunks of things.